Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Choose 2 large outer aloe leaves, each about 8 to 10 inches long, from the base of a healthy plant. Use a sharp, clean knife and rinse the plant first so dirt does not transfer to the gel. Work on a sanitized surface. Wash each leaf, trim both ends, and slice off the serrated edges with a clean knife to reduce latex contamination. Let cut leaves sit upright for 10 minutes to drain yellow latex. Then rinse the gel under cool, running water before filleting the leaf. Scoop out roughly 1 cup of clear inner gel per 2 leaves and place it in a clean blender to avoid brown bits. Blend gel on low for 20 to 30 seconds into a smooth, pourable consistency. Avoid overheating, which can break down active compounds. To stabilize, add 1 tsp vitamin C powder and 1 tsp vitamin E oil. These antioxidants help preserve color and potency. Add 1 tsp natural preservative, designed for cosmetic. Pour the finished gel into sterile amber jars, filling each jar to leave 1/4-inch headspace for expansion and to limit air contact. Store jars in the refrigerator for up to 3 weeks or freeze in ice cube trays for 6 months of shelf life. Thaw cubes in the refrigerator before use. For safety, patch test on a small skin area and discard if irritation occurs. Label jars with date and batch information and use within recommended times to ensure potency and minimize contamination.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.